Yo guys,
What's up?
today I'll be playing a game called Storm Chasers, and it's about chasing tornadoes and storms, and let's get into it. Hope you guys find this video entertaining.
I'm sorry guys, but the
So
music
I'm gonna
is just
say I'm
so
getting
loud.
into this game.
I
I'll be
apologize
playing
guys.
one where-
Holy shit. That's a very beautiful picture right there. I just wanna drive right into that big tornado. Oh, here we go. Probably year 4 or year 5 tornado. Anyways. Yeah. As you can see right now outside it is beautiful weather. Man. Typical American weather, am I right? Alright, that's just cringe now. Let me just buy all of this. Get some storage. Usually always have 300. And yeah, let me get to my car and let's go on a beautiful, dangerous adventure journey. Yeah, let's get into it. Right. Yeah, everything's looking good. There's some clouds here. There's some, radar. Yeah, I'm just thinking about where I should go right now. Think I'll just... As this is my first video of this game, I almost just want to fucking just directly into it. But let's actually get some beautiful photos. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh my goodness, it's large. It's big. It is absolutely massive, guys. That means like dead already, isn't it? Holy shit. Oh fuck, it's right here. That was a shitty photo. Still can't tell me what category is it, because this light pole is... There's no way it's just because of that. Come on. What the hell? Alright, that was some shitty... I mean, it... Well, they went shitty, but I just didn't get any money for it. Wait. Hold on. I have this rope where it's just fucking strapped onto my car, so... Yeah. Let's go. What the hell? Do we need to? No, I think that's... Oh, it's getting away. Let's go. Wait, another one? Well, that is just great. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to get a little closer, guys. Yeah! Is this close enough? Yeah, I'm getting to it. Yeah, this is looking good. There we go. Now, because at some point it's gonna get the fucking same photo thing, right? Same point of view. I don't know what it's called in the game. I actually just forgot. Oh, I can get stuck in that. And that would actually be really bad if I get too close. Right here, that's good. It's an even EF2, so it can easily kind of pick me up, so that's not really that. I'm like really close. I don't really have like a what do you call it? Feeling of just how close I am. So what the hell? The small tomatoes. This is good. Let's get a little closer. See you later. This is really close. Like right beside it. I think it's
A tornado warning has been issued for the Lakota County area by the National Weather
Oh shit! No! And I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh, I got that. Oh shit! Wait, no, I survived. How do you survive? Oh, yes! Yes!
Yes! Alright, get the fuck out of here. Fuck the tornado. I don't give a shit. Holy shit! I need to get the fuck out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait. I could get stuck in mud, but this is great. Come on. Close. Yeah, see, same point of view. Oh, that's my health bar. Yeah. Should I? Like, I really want more money, but it's just so dangerous. I'm sorry, guys. I think... Yeah, I think I'm gonna... Honestly, I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I was thinking maybe 15 to 20 minutes. You guys might find it boring. So, who knows who's new. Oh wait, it is coming to a road. Tomato. Let me see. Oh, there's another. Can I get it? Is that an EF? Oh my goodness! Oh, it's an EF-10. I can barely see. I don't even know how I'm getting points or money for that. That's crazy. Aw, man, I really want to farm this like EF3. Where the hell did it go? Where the hell did it go? Oh shit, yeah. I can barely see it from here. Okay. That's a good point. Yep. I have sometimes tried to get like a... Ah, dang it, yeah. Like, it's really hard to get like a photo of the lightning as well. But if you're pro at this game, I bet it's like not that hard. But still, I mean, of course it's still hard. Another today, it sucks that my vehicle is so damaged. Yeah, that's 2 tornadoes. If there was 3, that'd be crazy. Oh my god, wait. Yeah. Yeah, this is good. Wait, just... What the... Ah, fuck. Oh, I didn't lose that. I didn't lose that. Right? No, I'm not losing that. I should probably change mode. But I've always been a fan of quest fast. Like, big tornadoes, small ones, like just tornadoes. You know what? Yes, this is close. Oh. Wait, there's 2 twigsters. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm getting stuck in mud. And I can't get out. Wait, it feels so good. What the fuck? Oh my god, I just... Oh, no. Let's keep up this one. Wait, you know what? Oh my goodness. You guys see that? I didn't get a picture of that. I could have been stuck in front of me. Wow. Ah, no. Oh, no. I'm not gonna go out. Come on. We have this point I might just hit, right? What is that? What is that? Oh, that's the gas station. I thought it was that. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Oh, yeah, I should have known this was I think it's at this point I just need to. Yeah, anyways, let me stand on my car while I'm ending this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, then oh, and that might just be. Ah, it's so far up. Okay, last one, maybe. You guys ready? Oh shit! Oh my goodness! Holy shit!
A tornado warning has been issued for the
yeah,
Corwin
you're
County
telling
area
me,
by the
bro.
National Weather Service.
I just ran into this motherfucker. Look at that. At that.
A tornado warning has been issued for the Lakota County area by the National Weather Service.
Yes, I got it. Fuck yeah. Wait, I didn't get to see how that first photo because they fucking glitched. Oh my god. Come on. Yes. Okay, I made 9K. And I had like... Okay, that's... It's not that good, but I'll take it. That is just... I mean, I'm gonna probably not take that. One more. Ah, dang it. Yes, I got it. But I got the same point of view. Alright, that is just... Look at that. With this... Oh my god, with this sunset. Oh my god, yes, bro. That is beautiful. And whatever that dust is. It's like a dust storm. Okay, that's just dramatic. Look at that. It kind of looks... That looks so unnatural. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful with the lightning strikes. I gotta get... Oh my god. Did you guys... Dude. It just went like through the tornado. Just... you know, ahead of the tornado from my view. I don't know how to describe that. Just saying. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You know what? Thank you guys for watching, and I might make another video. Oh, you hear those sirens? Wow, that is just... goddamn. I know this video got way. Okay, you guys ready? Thank you guys for wait. No. Are you freaking kidding me? I ran out of gas. And I didn't buy an extra can. Yep. Alright. No! Are you? That's such a sad ending. Like God literally just stopped me from driving into that tornado. What the hell? Oh, I just didn't get that. Well, that really just sucks. I totally gonna drive into it, man. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, nah. I'm gonna lose R, I think. Oh, yeah, shit. Yeah, I should've. Another one. Oh my. What the hell? Right, it sucks. Stupid. Frick you, car. Frick you. Fuck that car. Alright, sign should stop now. Just stop. It's over.
Anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and make sure to like and subscribe if you feel like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, goodbye.